Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need a qualifying account, so check your age and follower count now. Those rules matter because TikTok restricts access. Once confirmed, make sure your app is updated and permissions granted for camera and mic. Otherwise, you can't broadcast. Now open TikTok and tap the plus button to start creation. Swipe or choose the live tab, then give your stream a clear title that matches community guidelines. This helps discoverability and prevents removal. Once on the live setup screen, you'll pick a descriptive title and category so viewers find you, and that's why keywords matter. Make sure camera orientation and resolution are correct. Choose portrait or landscape depending on your plan. You can add effects, set guest invites, or enable Q and A before going live. Do that now because changes midstream can disrupt the stream. Also verify mic levels, Wi-Fi signal, and battery. Poor connections cause lag and dropout. To finish, tap the end button and confirm. Save the recording if you want highlights for later. If your live won't start, first check camera/mic permissions and whether the app is current. Outdated apps often block features. Next, test your network. Switch from cellular to strong Wi-Fi or vice versa, because bandwidth is the typical culprit. If problems persist, clear the cache or reinstall TikTok and report the issue to support with timestamps and error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.